Welcome to week 2. You're probably pretty sore after the first week and hopefully sore for the right reasons and not for the wrong reasons. Remember, when you're training, you have to train with proper form. I don't want you injured. And don't look at the people next to you thinking that you'll be able to push the same weight as them. Leave your ego at the door and remember, form and function before the weight. Now, your nutrition program will be changing every single week based on your new lean body weight. So if you lose weight, which you should be weighing every single week, not every day, just once a week, then you're going to have to adjust your macros accordingly for your new found weight, okay? Now, when it comes to the food, remember, you'll be eating, you'll be preparing, you'll be carrying your meals all the time. Training, like 5 times a week, that's easy. 5 hours a week, walk in a park. But with your nutrition, it's all the time. Get used to eating your meals cold, carrying your meals with you. So make sure that you have Tupperware containers, a cool bag, some ice blocks, maybe some Ziploc bags, so you never have the excuse of missing a meal because you've got some protein powder with you.